What is up, guys, and welcome to Double O's Garage. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install the USB front balance on the B6A4. First things first, gotta pop the hood. Then gotta start by taking out these two screws for this vent for the air box. And then the headlights have 4 T30 screws. Now that I got the headlights removed, I'm going to continue by removing the license plate bracket. Next, I'm going to remove these front 3 grills. So once you get the front 3 grills removed, there's going to be 5 more screws holding on the bumper underneath. There's going to be 3 T20s and 2 T40s. It's going to be 1 T20 here, a T40 here, another T20 here, another T40 here, and then the last T20 right here. Once you have those 5 removed, all that's holding the bumper is going to be these 3 inside the fender here, and these 3 on this side of the fender. Once those 6 bolts are removed, the bumper should come off freely. The only thing is there's going to be a windshield washer fluid tube that's going to go for the headlight washers. You're going to want to be careful and not pull too hard to rip the hose. We're just going to have to disconnect it and lift it out of the way. So this is the washer fluid reservoir connector. You're going to want to push on this tab and pull. Just make sure you tilt this hose up so you don't spill any of the windshield washer fluid. Once you have that hose disconnected, there's going to be 2 more electrical connections that you got to disconnect. Once those are disconnected, the front bumper should be free. So now that the bumper's off, I'm going to start by removing the OEM valance and the fog lights. this is where it gets a little bit scary. I haven't found too much information on how to cut the stock bumper, but the guy on the forum said just to lay the USP Valance right onto the bumper and just start marking out where you need to cut to make it fit. As you can see, the Valance is nowhere near fitting, but I did start marking a few spots, and yeah, let's get started on cutting. So now that I got the USB Valance to fit on the front bumper, I'm just going to start taping off and painting black the fog light brackets and the center support brackets. After painting the fog light brackets and the center support brackets, now I gotta make some grills. For this, I just cut out some cardboard to make templates for the center and the sides. With these templates, I'm going to transfer them over to some expanded steel mesh that I got from a local hardware store. So this is the expanded steel mesh that I got from the hardware store. I'm just going to lay down my template, start tracing it, and cut it out. So it's been a few days now, as you can see, it's snowing. I finished cutting up the rest of the grills off camera, but the only thing that's left now is to paint them black. So after putting 2 coats of primer on, I'm just going to put 2 coats of black paint on. So I ended up only putting 1 coat of black paint on, and I think it came out fine. Doesn't look too bad. But yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you left a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.